everyone, myself Navneet from class 12. Today we will conduct an experiment to produce sound using an aluminium rod and soap powder. This is aluminium rod. This is soap powder. Firstly, we find the exact balancing point in an aluminium rod. This is the exact balancing point in aluminium rod. So this point is called as node. Now, if you try to rub the aluminium rod, no noticeable sound is produced. Although vibrations are there, but they are not heard clearly. So, to increase the intensity of these vibrations, we will apply soap powder to the rod. Now again, if you try to rub the aluminium rod after applying the powder, you can hear the vibrations clearly. Thank you. This is my experiment.